It's Jose Diaz, Fairway Park's favorite realtor, with his latest listing located here at 115 Hermitage Lane. And this gorgeous home is situated in the highly sought-after Union City School District. I am excited to show you the interior of this home. Your next home features 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,585 square feet, new vinyl flooring throughout, a remodeled bathroom, and so much more. Welcome home. Your search is finally over. You better hurry before it's sold. For more information, feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, at 510-912-4519. Make it a great day.